everyone, it's Kiwi of the Coast selling Sunset here at 4 Sunset Cove. Look, this is a spectacular 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with amazing views here in Pelican Ridge. You want to see more? Let's meet Shane at the front door.
Welcome home. And it is all about the views today, Kiwi. Look at this picture window framing your Pacific Ocean views. I'm in an open concept floor plan that everybody's been looking for. Formal living, I have my formal dining, bedroom number 4 and bathroom number 4 all on the main floor here. Where's Kiwi?
Kiwi's in the kitchen. Well, actually, I was just pampering my Porsches in that 3-car garage with the new epoxy floors. Now, bringing the groceries in, have a cup of joe and breakfast right here with the morning sun. Plenty of storage in the kitchen, all the new hardware that's everywhere here. I got the granite or natural stone countertops, all the brand name appliances, stainless steel of course. Sit everybody at the counter when you're entertaining because I can sit, relax, enjoy the fire and the TV with the family right here. Hey, are we up or down next? Are you up for what's down?
And in the lower level wing behind me, we have 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, completely remodeled. In the princess bedroom, we have ensuite, redone with beautiful quartz countertops, gold fixtures, and herringbone backsplash. Not to be missed is the gorgeous walk-in closet. The boys' bedroom is complete with bunk beds, direct outside access, and bathroom down the hall. Now we're in my favorite room, the media room. Catch the big game, maybe pop some popcorn, catch a movie with the kiddos, with direct access to the patio and wraparound backyard. With space for a pool and spa. I forgot about the fruit trees, but the master's next.
But the magic is in the master. With all those beautiful ceramic tile floors that have just got in, it has its own retreat because the whole floor is devoted to the master. Fireplace, relax, watch a little TV, enjoy the views as well. But the bathroom, look at this. Luxurious master with all the ceramic tile floors, glass wraparound, custom shower, standalone tub, twin vanities with custom mirror and lighting, plus it's got the Gucci walk-in closet. Come on Shane, 1 more mile and a few more reps in this gym and it's a wrap. Ocean views,
Guard gated,
and that's why Newport Beach's elite called Pelican Ridge Home.
Now call the number down below, this will not last long.
And we will see you on the next one.